lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maggie. So in today's video we are going to do this nice hairstyle. So it's half cornrows and half off. I'm going to use the crochet method to install my afro. So for starters we need to do the base. So we're just gonna cornrow first. So let's get straight into making the base first. So we're gonna start in the front. I'm going to do just some simple medium lines of cornrows.
Smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby.
Okay, now we are done with the back. So I'm going to just do my big cornrows at the back because that's where I'm going to install the afro. Then I'm going to just close the line just to show you how I'm going to secure everything. Keep on watching. Let's enjoy this video.
It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah,
Well, we are done with our base. I make this king here. This I do. I DIY Kenge that I've made. That is the hair that I'm going to use at the back. So right now I'm just going to install and style. So keep on watching and see the rest of the video on how I managed to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking. Please subscribe, comment and show your opinion. Until we meet again, let's enjoy this video.